We're here in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. We just installed another solar pool heating system onto this beautiful home. It's a 7-panel system on their side roof. We used a Aquatherm EcoSun 4-foot by 12 panel, 7 of them, to help assist the heating process for the swimming pool. This customer has a gas heater and a pre-existing electric heater, so we have all 3 heaters on this pool. The big feature for the solar heater, helping the other heaters run more efficiently because of the free heat from the solar panels on the roof. The system is all automated through the customer's pre-existing Hayward Aqua Plus automation system, so he can set his temperature to his preferred pool temp, and the solar automatically turns itself on and off with the heat of the day, controlling his variable speed pool pump to rev high when the solar's on, go back down to a lower, more efficient energy saving speed when the solar is off. All automated for him. All he has to do, him and his wife, pick the ideal pool temperature he wants the pool to be at, and the solar does the rest of the work.